Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today video is really special one for me because I'm going to tulip farm for the first time. I'm already on the way to the tulip farm. I'm so excited. So I've just reached the location and oh my god you guys, even the entrance is so beautiful. It was a bright sunny day which make everything look even more beautiful. So even in entrance they have like lots of flowers. So when you just walk in, they actually have like a lot before you actually get into the field. So they have like a different kind of food stalls, coffee spots and everything. And then they also have like a tulip pot for sale, which is so cute. So it comes in different sizes, medium and large, which is very perfect for travel. So me and my friend decided to take a quick break before heading to the field. I've got a hot chocolate and she got a mocha. Honestly, for the price we paid, this is really good hot chocolate and mocha. So we started walking towards the tulip field, and on the way there are so many different variety of tulips everywhere. And what I love about this place is they have like a cute little photo spots literally everywhere. So if you're coming here for the content, you will not be disappointed. And then there is a pond with floating tulip, like actually floating tulip on the water. That was so cool. Just quick fit check. I bought this beautiful sage green dress with some gold jewelry. On my way to the main field, we also saw there were really cool light installation. Apparently they light them up at the night for sunset viewing and it sounds absolutely stunning. I definitely wanted to come back for that. There were information boards everywhere. It's all about history of tulips, the different variety, the colors. It's actually really interesting, not just pretty. And then also they have this windmill set up everywhere. We found this butterfly area. It was such a cute little spot, and then the color of the tulip variety here, everything looks very different and beautiful. Finally we made it to the main tulip farm, and then they got this biggest mirror for pictures. And get this, there are around 1.5 million tulip flowers in this field. I cannot even process the number because this is the largest one in the UK. Now I do want to be honest with you, since we are quite early in the season, there is a lot of flowers but still in bud stage, not fully bloomed yet. So if you're planning to visit, I would actually recommend going next week for the full bloom experience. But even like this, it was absolutely gorgeous. Since it's the biggest farm, so the field is actually divided into different sections. In each one has a different variety of tulip. The second section has lot of buds still coming through, and honestly my favorites were the pink tulips. They also have a big field. You can actually ride for a view over the whole farm. by the time it's actually started raining. So before we left, we grabbed some lunch from the food stall. I had a gyro which was really good, and then we also shared a burger and fries. Honestly, the food here is way better than you would expect. At the end, that is actually a pick your own section tulip, so you can actually pick like different kind of tulip from there, and then you can make bouquet out of it, which is very cool. The price start from 1.5 to 20 pound. Overall, the tulip farm is such a beautiful day out, whether you're coming solo, with friends, or even with family. I had a best time, and I would definitely 100% come back next year. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're new. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.